Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making cream cheese frosting, and basically this is the basis of making any buttercream frosting. So today we are going to be using room temperature butter. We're going to need 2 sticks, which is 227 grams of unsalted butter. We're going to need our paddle attachment, which we're going to attach. You need the paddle attachment because you do not want to whisk air into your buttercream. So all we need is butter, cream cheese, pinch of salt, powdered sugar, and a tablespoon of vanilla. So we're going to start by placing our very room temperature butter in our stand mixer. Look at how soft that is. Put that in there. You really do want the butter to be very, very soft, because you're going to be beating it for a little bit until it is slightly lighter in color. All right, we are going to beat the butter till it's light and fluffy. We're starting very slow. Then we're going to beat it at a higher speed for about 5 minutes. We have to scrape it. Then we are adding the 8 ounce of cream cheese. This is light cream cheese. Then we are going to mix the two. We are going to add a tablespoon of vanilla. This is homemade vanilla. I will link a video on how to make your own homemade vanilla. This is looking very creamy. We're going to add about maybe 2 or 3 cups of powdered sugar, but we're going to do it 1 cup at a time till we get the desired taste that we need. Here we go. When you first add the powdered sugar, it will make it a little lighter and runnier, but keep going, it will get thicker. I'm going to scrape the bowl and look at how creamy this is getting. Now I'm going to add the second cup. And then we're going to mix it slowly so that we do not have a cloud of sugar all over the whole place. Wow, this looks amazing. This is done. Look at how fluffy this looks. This is so amazing. It tastes incredible. I ended up using just 2 cups of powdered sugar, which is to my tasting. Then we are going to take this off and we are going to put it in a piping bag. Now you can add any color if you want, and you can use this to decorate any cake that you want. The texture is very silky. This is the easiest frosting that you can make. Nice and silky. You can either pipe it in a piping bag, or you can put it in a Ziploc bag, or put it in an airtight container and leave it in the refrigerator. You can put it in the freezer to freeze about 2 to 3 months, and then bring it out if you need to use it, and leave it in the refrigerator to defrost overnight before you can use it the next day. So easy way to do this is to put it in a piping bag. Now you can use any tip of your choice and pipe. You can make any design that you want. So that just shows you. But the cream is amazing. This I'm going to use on a bundt cake tomorrow. If this video has been of value to you, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button. This is Dr. Okeke. Thank you.